You want to be rat.
Welcome to Monkey Doodle, friends. It's Mr. L. We're going to do a cute girl elf for this episode. Last time we did the boy elf. All right, let's go. We're going to start with a U shape towards the top of our paper, about here. All right. And we're going to just sharpen up this line a little bit. All right. Now we're going to make a curve that goes down and connects to the other side. All right, and this is going to be the head for the girl elf. We're going to come up and out a little bit on the sides here, up and out. And we're going to do a zigzag line. 1, 2, 3, and connect this one to the end. 4. That's part of the elf girl's hat. We're going to do little circles on the end. They could be bells or pom-poms. She looks like a little queen now. All right, I hope everybody's having a good holiday and getting ready. We're going to do a curve that comes out like that, hangs to the side. And we're going to bring that line all the way near the top and connect about there. So it's a floppy little hat, but good enough for our girl elf. And we're going to put a bell at the end there. All right, and we can make this a little bit thicker on the end here, just to show a little bit of shadow if you'd like. All right, little 3D effect. Now let's make the hair. So we're going to make a part on the side, a curve go up, and then go to the side here. And then we're going to make some hair stick out on the bottom, curve, and then in, curve out. So notice it's right below the edge of the face, and in. Okay, pretty cool. I want to make it slightly thicker here maybe. You can put a line inside if you'd like. A little hair detail. A couple lines on the bottom. Okay, we're going to make 2 oval eyes for our elf friend. Make her cute, and then 1, 2, 3 eyelashes. 1, 2, 3. Little cute nose. And of course, a smile. Little curve on the end. She's happy. It's holiday time and she's busy and working hard. There's our elf girl head. Let's do pointy ears. Curve come out. Curve come out on both sides, and then right back in, right back in, and you can do the same shape inside of it if you'd like. Good. 2 lines down for the neck, right next to each other. A curve at the end of it. We're going to make her arms come out. 1 there and 1 there with a slight curvy line. Down with a curve for the sleeve. Go up and in. Up with a line and in. And we're going to go down on both sides with a long dress line. There we go. She's a pretty tall elf. All right, and we're going to give her hands, a little short thumb up, and then 1, 2, and 3, and back, and up for the thumb, short loop, and then 1, 2, and 3, and back. So she's saying, hello, come join me in Elfland. Bad impersonation of an elf, but I try my best. Lines that come out for legs. We're going to do close it, short curve, close it with a short curve, and then go right behind it and do a loop that comes out and then hooks and then goes in and right to the end of the leg. So again, back from behind this line, go out and hook, and then go in and back to the leg. So we have those pointy little elf shoes. I don't know how they walk in them, but somehow they're magical and they do. Stripes. A couple of stripes on each leg look cool. And let's see. How about a cute little collar here? 1, 2, and 3. Little star type collar. And we'll give her a cute star in the center somewhere. Maybe it's the star of the North Pole. Cool. We can do some stripes on the bottom if you'd like. Right across. 1. Maybe we'll leave that as 1 and we'll do 2 here. 1, 2. 1, 2. All right, and we could have some candy canes kind of floating around. Make it fun. Different sizes, and you know it's like the shape of a J. All right, and you put stripes on it, and we're just about done. We're almost ready to hyperspace color. Wow, this is great. Don't forget your stripes. Great job, guys, making our elf, and you can put little colored marks later on. We'll do that. All right, let's hyperspace color. Great job.